So it started way back in 2017 when I was in the gym. I was lifting weights and then I suddenly heard a pop in my back.
Wow.
And I almost fainted during that time, and I went to work after that. And after halfway through, I just cannot tahan, cannot tolerate through the pain. I just went home, and I actually went to a hospital, and they just gave me a muscle relaxation injection.
Mhm.
Since then, every it will stop for about a year, and then every year it will reoccur again, the same thing, which is a very sharp pain in my back that you cannot stand. Sometimes I have to crawl
Wow.
and lay down flat to reset my spine, lor, so I can actually sit up and walk properly again. So
To,
it
to,
kind of
to
get
to the
really
ex
bad.
Sorry, to the extent that you have to crawl, it must be really severe.
Yes, it was quite severe actually. It was kind of like a very sharp pain, and if you force it, if you tolerate through the pain, if you think you're a tough guy, right? You're trying to tolerate through the pain, it will actually send a very strong electrical shock to your spine, like cramping like that through the whole spine, and then you automatically like getting a stroke. I wasn't hospitalized until many years after through the pain. Every time it reoccur, I just force my way through my daily life until I think it was last year.
Mhm.
I had no choice because the pain each year accumulating to 5 to 6 years, right, is getting more severe. So I was forced to go inside the hospital through my ego lah. So I was hospitalized for about 2 weeks. They did a lot of physiotherapy for me. One day, perhaps 2 to 3 times, even 4 times a day or so. And then I had to get an operation called radio frequency ablation, which some operation is used to reduce a tumor inside your spine or to reduce any kind of sharp pain in your spine. Now this
Wow.
like the gel between the spinal cord. So it actually helps a little, but not in the beginning. It helps a little bit because the doctor says it will cut off the root nerve of the pain that actually triggers the painful part. So actually, after the operation, I went back for after a month. I did physiotherapy as usual, but it didn't really help that much. You can still faint. You can still feel the sharp pain below from time to time. It's sort of like a needle that has been left there after surgery. You can
Wow.
still feel the needle inside. So yeah, so my mom actually recommended me Aculife.
Mhm.
So at first I was quite skeptical because I tried a lot of physiotherapy, right? So it didn't really work out. So I kind of give it a try. Why not? Got nothing to lose, right? So I actually tried it. At first I was quite skeptical, but my mom who actually bought have the Aculife machine who started to try it out. And I actually did it on the device that you put on your ear first.
Yes.
I did for 15 minutes. I
That's
feel like
right.
my body is kind of like lighten up and I don't feel as much soreness as my upper back, but as my lower back is still sore. But only after I use the Aculife pump with the one on the wrist from the back,
All right. Your spinal
from
cord.
my
Yeah.
spinal cords here, and from the points that has been guided through the instruction. After the first session, after an hour, I immediately felt relief that I haven't been receiving from the physiotherapy.
So you
Yeah,
continue to use it, and then
yep,
what
I
happened?
continue to use it every day. Since then, I'm still using it now every day. My ear every 15 minutes to half an hour, and my back, it
Now
feels a lot
you're,
better.
I mean, are you pain free now? Like, are you like normal again, or how?
I wouldn't say 100%, but I'm pain free most days. Because sometimes, sometimes we overwork, we overbend our body, then it will come back again. It's like something we did it to ourselves. But Aquila actually helps me with the symptoms and all the pain that comes with it.
Wow. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you for your
You're
time.
welcome.
Uh,
It was quite a miracle, actually. I was at first, as I said before, quite skeptical, but I truly believe this device, it has helped my daily life as well. Because before, the pain has been so intense that it is affecting my daily life. I have to rest on the bed every few hours to relieve my back.
I mean, looking at you, you're a young man. I mean, this is like giving back your quality of life again, isn't it?
Yes, and with my kids as well, we can play again instead of laying there. I still have the cane in the back of my kitchen stored somewhere because I don't need it anymore. It was so bad. I used lumbar guard and a cane to walk as well.
So now no more cane, no more lambakat, and
Nothing already. No one wants to feel the pain that I have felt at my age as well. So I will continue to use it as I have trusted 100%.
all right. Thank you, Andrew. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Thank
Bye.
you for